In this video, I will show you how to get different coloured arrows on chess.com. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on chess.com. Now I've currently got a game loaded up. So as you might know, to create an arrow on chess.com, you just hold down the right mouse button and you drag to create these arrows, as you can see on screen now. Now if you actually want to change the colour of this arrow, so you can actually change it to a different colour, as you can see I'm doing that here. And to do this, what you want to do is hold down the Control, Alt and Shift keys on your keyboard, and with those hold down, you want to hold down the right mouse button and again just drag, and you can see that is changing the colour. So just let go of the buttons and it'll go back to the orange, and to hold those down you're going to get different colours. It's normally blue. And that's how you go ahead and change the colour of your arrows on chess.com. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.